Folks wave at our fellow cruisers. Okay, so the bike ride from where we got the bikes to here is about 1.3 miles. No, 1.1 miles, sorry. Yeah, so the Disney Island here does have Wi-Fi on it, especially in the family areas, but like where we are right now, you can't, the Wi-Fi doesn't extend all the way out to here. The adult beach has a little bit of Wi-Fi, especially if you go near where the eatery, the lunch place is. So always keep that in mind if you are separated with your children, that access might be a little limited at times to communications, but the Disney app, the Disney Cruise Line app, has been actually pretty good this trip. They've seemed to have finally gotten things working a little bit better. You can actually do iMessage without any data plan. Obviously, if you're going from an iPhone to Android, that doesn't work because that requires a different protocol, but the iPhone to iPhone iMessage support is working, which has been great because it's been able to communicate with family without requiring a data plan.
And Disney, the app itself has a way that you can actually communicate via messages through the app.
Through the app.
You don't have to pay for it. And if you have kids that are on board, you know, I recommend bringing an old iPhone that you can connect to that app, and that way you can keep in touch with kids that are on
everyone
board.
in the stateroom can have their own ID.
Yep.
And thus you can have, you know, group communications through the Disney app itself too.
And the kids area, if you leave them in the kids area, that's how they notify you need to get your kid.
Is their app the fastest communication? No. I mean, every once in a while the Wi-Fi network does, you know, your phone disconnects, but overall it's a lot better than it used to be. A lot better.
Well, you used to have to rely on wave phones.
Yeah.
That were terrible to operate.
Well, I'm guessing it's going to rain a little bit later today here. But the kayak adventure we were supposed to go on was a 1 or 2 person little kayak. You'd be able to go in and they just take you, see some, geez, I'm drawing a blank. What are
seashells?
The seashells?
You get to pick up actual seashells.
But the seahorses, not seahorses.
Stingrays.
No, the starfish.
Starfish.
Sorry.
Yeah, I said that already.
Okay, sorry, missed it. And then they go out to a little island where you just kind of walk around that island for a half hour. Yeah, so the excursion has been canceled numerous times.
And we got our other excursion canceled on this, so.
What was that, Carrie?
Two out of 4 excursions had been canceled on us.
Yeah, we were going to go zip lining in Jamaica, and that got canceled. That would have been a cool one to film. There's not a lot online for that one, so we were hoping for that, but that got canceled. Bad weather again. And then the heavy winds here.
You know, I guess I really enjoy the adult areas on board. I have one hostess she's a ton of fun, and just those games, some of them can be, they have the newlywed type game that's a little risque. Disney risque.
Disney risque,
so.
but not really. I mean,
But it's a ton of fun.
and we actually won a game too.
Yes, we did. It was, what was it called?
Reflections?
Seriously
Yeah, seriously.
is the name of the game.
So you had to put yourselves back to back, and they would ask some questions, and you would highlight like who would say or do certain things. You know, who had more belief in X, Y, and Z. And we won.
Yep. It's kind of who's more likely to questions. Oh.
That was the little eatery here that will probably be going to lunch. Go do the loop and go do the lookout tower.
Yeah. My hat doesn't want to stay on.
Wait until we get near the or in the loop, because the wind will be blocked.
Yeah.
Blocked. So everyone that's running, you're seeing, is probably participating in the Castaway Cay 5K. And everyone's on the self, pace. Get 5 miles in. Harry and I might do it on a walking basis because we're already 1.2 miles in or so. But we'll see what we do. See if the water holds, or weather holds. Hey, just so you know, even though you have a rear brake, if you go backwards, it does stop.
Okay, that's good to know.
I found that out the hard way.
That's good to know.
I would dive to the other part. Oh yeah, that's why I was like,
Last time we were here, we walked this whole loop.
Yeah, we did.
That took a while.
I did. Well, I'm not a runner, so I can't run very much at all. I might jog a little bit, but
2 bikes on your left. You're good, you're good, you're fine.
Not cool. Not cool, babe.
Yeah, the one recommendation, even if it's kind of cloud covered like it is now, is wear sunscreen. The sun is very strong here. And up ahead, you might be able to see the lookout tower. Go climb that here in a couple minutes.